Today, I'm showing you how to make the easiest chocolate hazelnut nougat, and you only need 3 ingredients. That's right, just chocolate, condensed milk, and hazelnuts. It's simple, rich, and unbelievably delicious. In a heat-proof bowl, add 250 grams of dark chocolate, and 160 grams of condensed milk. Melt them together slowly over a pot of simmering water, or in the microwave in short bursts. Stir until smooth, glossy, and completely combined. Now mix in the toasted hazelnuts and stir well, so every nut is coated in the chocolate. Pour the mixture into a nougat mold, spread it evenly and smooth the top. Then refrigerate for about 2 hours or until set. Once firm, slice it into bars or squares, and that's it. You'll be amazed how something so easy can taste so good. The texture is dense yet soft, the flavor is deep and nutty, and every bite feels like a small luxury. This chocolate hazelnut nougat is perfect for gifting, snacking, or just keeping in the fridge for those little sweet moments. Give it a try, it's quick, it's delicious, and it might just become your new favorite treat.